In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Trello card. If you've been using Trello for your project management and you've got some cards that are no longer needed, this step-by-step guide will help you remove them. But before we get into the deletion process, it's important to note that deleting a card is permanent and cannot be undone. So make sure you're certain you no longer need the card before proceeding. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Trello.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to click on the login button, which you can find on the upper right corner of the page. You can log in using your Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack accounts. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can also use your email address to sign into your Trello account. Now that you're logged in, to delete a Trello card, you will first need to archive it. This extra step is partly a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. So let's dive into the details. Locate the Trello board where the card you wish to delete resides. Click on the card to open it and reveal its details. This action brings up all the card information such as descriptions, attachments and activity on the right side of your screen. Look towards the right hand side and you'll see the archive option. Go ahead and click on it. Once archived, the card will no longer appear on your board, but don't worry, it's not permanently gone yet. Next, access the archived items in order to delete the card permanently. For this, go to the Show menu located in the upper right corner of your Trello board. Clicking on this will expand a menu where you should then find and click on More, followed by Archived Items. This is where all your archived cards reside. Find the card you wish to delete permanently. Once located, click on the three-dot menu associated with that particular card. This will provide you with further options. Select Delete from this menu. Since Trello wants to make sure you really intend to delete the card, a dialog box will pop up asking you to confirm your choice. Press Delete again to finalize the deletion. Remember, once you confirm, the card is gone forever. Take a moment to ensure you're absolutely ready to delete it. If you're sure, complete these steps and your card will be permanently removed from your Trello board. That's it, you've successfully learned how to delete a Trello card. I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed it or found it useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.